Cloves are a powerful spice with incredible health benefits, but many people misuse them, turning this natural remedy into a potential health risk. Overusing cloves or clove water, combining them with the wrong substances, or consuming them in unsafe amounts can lead to digestive discomfort, irritation, or even reduced effectiveness. Studies show that moderation and proper use are key to reaping their full benefits without harm. To stay informed and use cloves correctly, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips. Now that you know the risks, let's uncover why cloves and clove water are so beneficial.
Benefits of clove water.
Clove water isn't just a simple herbal drink. It's a powerhouse of health benefits backed by science. When prepared and consumed correctly, clove water can transform your overall well-being, addressing some of the most common health challenges faced today. Let's delve into the scientifically proven advantages of this natural remedy. One of the standout benefits of clove water is its ability to improve digestion. Cloves have long been valued for their carminative properties, meaning they help relieve bloating, gas, and other digestive discomforts. Research published in the Journal of Gastrointestinal Disorders indicates that the compounds in cloves, particularly eugenol, stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and reducing the risk of indigestion. For anyone who has struggled with an upset stomach after meals, clove water can be a soothing and effective solution. Another remarkable benefit of clove water lies in its immune-boosting properties. Packed with antioxidants, cloves help combat free radicals that can damage cells and weaken the immune system. According to a study in phytotherapy research, cloves rank among the top spices in antioxidant content, making clove water an excellent daily drink for enhancing your body's natural defenses. With the added advantage of its antiviral and antibacterial properties, clove water can help reduce the risk of infections, particularly during cold and flu seasons. For individuals managing blood sugar levels, clove water offers even more benefits. Research in the Journal of Diabetes Research highlights cloves' potential to regulate glucose levels, especially in pre-diabetic and diabetic individuals. Eugenol and other bioactive compounds in cloves help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce spikes in blood sugar, making clove water a natural and accessible aid in diabetes management. This benefit alone makes clove water a game changer for millions around the world seeking better blood sugar control. Oral health is yet another area where clove water shines. The antibacterial properties of cloves make clove water an effective rinse for combating gum infections, bad breath, and even early stages of tooth decay. Studies in the Journal of Dentistry have shown that cloves' essential oils inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, which are responsible for cavities and oral infections. Regular use of clove water as a mouth rinse can help maintain healthier gums and fresher breath without resorting to chemical-laden products. Who wouldn't want a single natural drink that tackles so many common health issues? Whether it's improving digestion, boosting immunity, regulating blood sugar, or promoting oral health, clove water offers an array of benefits that are too good to ignore. But here's where things get tricky. Many people lose out on these benefits by making common mistakes. Let's uncover what those mistakes are and how you can avoid them to get the most out of this incredible drink.
Common mistakes people make with clove water.
While clove water offers a treasure trove of health benefits, many people unknowingly sabotage its potential by making simple yet significant mistakes. Missteps in preparation or consumption can not only diminish the drink's effectiveness, but may even lead to unintended health risks. Let's look at the most common errors and why avoiding them is crucial. One of the most prevalent mistakes is overconsumption. Because clove water is so potent, many assume that drinking more will amplify its benefits. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Consuming more than 1 to 2 cups of clove water daily can lead to nausea, dizziness, or even liver strain due to the high concentration of eugenol, the active compound in cloves. Research from the Journal of Toxicology highlights that while eugenol has remarkable therapeutic properties, excessive intake can stress the liver, particularly in individuals with pre-existing liver conditions. Moderation is key to harnessing the benefits without tipping the balance toward harm. Another common error involves improper brewing techniques. Some individuals boil cloves for extended periods, believing that this will extract more nutrients. Unfortunately, excessive boiling destroys the essential oils and antioxidants in cloves, drastically reducing their efficacy. A study in the Journal of Food Science notes that prolonged heat exposure breaks down eugenol and other bioactive compounds, leaving behind a bitter, less effective drink. Instead, steeping cloves in hot water for a controlled amount of time preserves their medicinal properties while ensuring optimal taste and health benefits. The quality of cloves used also plays a significant role in the effectiveness of clove water. Using stale, low-quality, or improperly stored cloves can dramatically reduce their potency. Fresh, high-quality cloves are rich in essential oils and active compounds, while older cloves lose their aromatic and medicinal properties over time. A report in the International Journal of Medicinal Plants advises sourcing cloves from reliable vendors and storing them in airtight containers away from heat and moisture to maintain their freshness. These mistakes may seem minor, but they can significantly impact the benefits you receive from clove water. By overconsuming, improperly brewing, or using low-quality cloves, you risk turning a health-boosting remedy into a wasted opportunity, or worse, a potential health hazard. Now that you know what not to do, are you ready to learn the right way to prepare and consume clove water? Let's make sure you don't miss out on its incredible health benefits by doing it the right way. Keep watching to discover the step-by-step guide that will maximize your results.
How to take clove water correctly.
To fully unlock the benefits of clove water while avoiding the pitfalls, it's essential to prepare and consume it the right way. The process is simple but requires attention to detail to ensure you're preserving the active compounds that make cloves so powerful. Let's walk through a step-by-step guide to making clove water correctly. First, always start with fresh, whole cloves sourced from a reliable vendor. High-quality cloves are dark brown, with a strong aroma and an oily sheen that indicates their freshness. Avoid cloves that appear dry, pale, or brittle, as they've likely lost much of their potency. A report in the Journal of Medicinal Plants emphasizes the importance of fresh cloves for maintaining their therapeutic properties. Next, bring water to a near boil and steep 4 to 5 cloves in hot water for 10-15 minutes. It's crucial not to boil the cloves directly, as excessive heat can destroy their essential oils, particularly eugenol, which is responsible for many of their health benefits. Steeping at the right temperature allows the nutrients to gently infuse into the water without compromising their integrity. Research in the Journal of Food Science and Technology highlights that steeping cloves preserves their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, ensuring maximum effectiveness. Once steeped, strain the clove water and let it cool slightly before drinking. You can enjoy it warm or cool depending on your preference. For added flavor and health benefits, consider adding a squeeze of fresh lemon or a teaspoon of honey. Lemon enhances the drink's vitamin C content, while honey contributes additional antioxidants, creating a nutrient-rich beverage that's both delicious and effective. When it comes to dosage, moderation is key. Limit yourself to 1 to 2 cups daily, spaced out during the day, to allow your body to absorb the nutrients effectively. Overconsumption can lead to side effects, as discussed earlier, so sticking to this guideline ensures you reap the benefits without any risks. Why does this preparation method work so well? It's all about balance. By using fresh cloves and steeping them correctly, you're preserving the antioxidants, essential oils, and eugenol that make cloves so beneficial. At the same time, avoiding over-extraction and limiting your intake prevents the excessive concentration of active compounds that could lead to side effects. This approach is supported by herbalists and nutritionists who consistently emphasize moderation in proper preparation when using natural remedies. Now that you're equipped with the right way to use clove water, let's explore the remarkable transformations you can expect when you incorporate it into your routine. Get ready to see how clove water can make a real difference in your health. Cloves are a game changer for your health when used correctly. To recap, clove water offers incredible benefits, from improving digestion and boosting immunity to reducing inflammation and soothing pain. However, proper usage is key. Overconsumption or incorrect preparation can lead to irritation or diminished effectiveness. Always prepare clove water mindfully and consume it in moderation to unlock its full potential. We'd love to hear your experiences with cloves. Share your stories or tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow health tips. Take clove water the right way and let this natural remedy transform your well-being.